Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll be testing out Fortnite on Android via the Steam link. So if you guys don't know how to set this up, I will leave a video on how to do it in the description. It's fairly easy. All it involves is linking your Steam account to the Steam Link app on your Android phone. Right, so hopefully you guys can see that well. I'm just going to start up the game real quick. I'll probably do a few games and so you guys can just see how it is. Basically, I'm just going to be using my phone as a monitor. I'm going to use my mouse and keyboard. I could use a controller like an Xbox One or a PS4, but I'm just really bad at using the controller. So I'll turn the sound up a bit on my phone. It looks like I just did an update, so it's probably going to install some stuff, which is kind of annoying. For some reason I can't actually hear it right now. But as you guys know, Steam Link is just for Steam games. So it's definitely going to be interesting to see how well Fortnite works. As I say, I'm just using my phone as basically my monitor, so if it is a slight delay in lag, then I probably won't be able to win fights. So let's just choose, oh, Sniper Shootout is back. Let's go on Sniper Shootout. That's a good game. I can see my FPS in the corner, and right now it's at 90, so I shouldn't be getting any lag. So it's probably the lag from the Steam Link app, I guess. Obviously, you're not really supposed to be playing Fortnite on it, but in this video we're going to. So I'm just going to go to Pleasant Park. I'm just going to try and grab a sniper as quickly as possible. I know there's someone in here. Oh, it's getting a bit laggy. Because my FPS right now is 110, but this is definitely not looking like 110. Let me just try and get a kill or something. I think the sound's maybe a bit delayed as well. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure if anyone's tried this as well. Oh, there's a guy right there. What am I doing? I couldn't even see him. If this guy snipes me, I'm... Oh. Look at this guy. Should I go for the pickaxe? Oh my gosh, no, lag. No. And the sound's gone. Oh crap. There you go, I got him. That was so bad though. Basically guys, that was lagging so bad and the sound went. And he managed to get a no-scope on me. Right guys, so I've changed the setup a bit, but right now it's on my lap, so I'm going to have to keep very still. But let me just go into a solo game, actually 50v50, just so I don't get completely wrecked with the lag. So far, I'd say it's maybe playable. I mean, I got one kill, it was a noob. But I definitely wouldn't recommend playing this. I'd probably just say wait for the official Android version. If you're really desperate to play, maybe you can give it a quick game and see how good it is. Right, so we've got some enemies up here, so I'm going to play terrible and I'm going to just try and rush them because I know I'm going to get wrecked anyway. And I don't intend on surviving for long. So we've got a few enemies up here. They've probably got snipers and stuff. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's minigun. I think it was a minigun anyway. Got a few hits on that guy. Yeah, I'm getting wrecked. Oh crap, no. This isn't good. Oh my god, no. I think it's crashed. Oh, got picked up again. I was building like crazy and I think it just crashed. Yeah, we got someone. Let's go. Oh my god, there's so many people here. What? How the hell did I survive that? Yep, there you go. Also, if you guys were wondering about the touchscreen controls, all you can do on this is look around and swing your axe, and that just works by tapping the screen. So there isn't really much you can do to use a touchscreen. Well, that is Fortnite on Android via Steam Link. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.